In this video, I will show you how to share Instagram Reels on TikTok. So the step are so simple to follow. Just go and open your Instagram app. After you open up your Instagram app like this, as can see now. So all you have to do now, tap on this section as can see now. Here is the Reel section. So tap on it. So after you open up the Reel section, as can see now, you can be able to see all different videos. So if you want to, let's say I want to share this video on TikTok on my TikTok. All you have to do now, tap on this as can see now, this arrow, this share button. So if you tap on this share button as you can see now scroll to down, now scroll down again. As you can see now, all you have to do now, tap on this as you can see now, there is a share again, this one, this share, tap on it again. So after you tap on this share button again, so now as you can see now, scroll to left, scroll to left. So sometimes it will give you an option to choose a TikTok app. So as you can see now they have removed the option for you to choose the TikTok app. So in order for you to share a TikTok or Instagram reel on your TikTok app, all you have to do now, just go and download the Instagram reel. So after you download the Instagram reel, all you have to do now, as you can see now, there is no option for you to just share the Instagram reel. So after you download the Instagram reel on your phone, all you have to do now, so just, let's say I've downloaded your Instagram reel. So after you download the Instagram reel on your phone, just go and open your TikTok app. After you open your TikTok app and go and upload the TikTok video manually on your TikTok app. So now you can be able to share like that, guys, on how to share Instagram reel on TikTok. If you don't know how to download the Instagram reel, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll make you a video. I'll make a video for you on how to download the Instagram reel on your phone. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.